Your new community radio station for Hemel Hempstead. Today's best mix. Hemel FM. This is today's best mix. Today's
something perfect.
Best mix. Today's best mix. This is Hemel FM. Across Hemel Hempstead and online at hemelfm.co.uk. This is your new online community radio station, Hemel FM. At 12 o'clock, robbers have used the JCB to ram raid a cash point at Sainsbury's in Apsley. The fashion, the TV.
Here we go, malice word association game where you mustn't pause the headspace.
And the music. The best 80s show in the world ever. Hemel FM. Hemel FM Travel with Evans Helshaw. Driving used car prices down on Two Waters Road. The M1 heading northbound still really slow past Junction 8 right now, and also the Magic Roundabout still really slow on the approaches following that broken down bus. Hemel FM. This is today's best mix.
Come on, rude boy, can you get it up?
Today's best This is Hemel FM. Hemel FM. Hemel FM Local Guide with the Decorum Information Point. The Marlows, Hemel Hempstead. The Reach Out project is seeking hungry kids for Waterways Adventure this half-term break. If you'd like to get your kids involved, you can find more details on the events guide at hemelfm.co.uk. Now, back to the music. Another 60 minutes. More music and more from Hemel.
Today's best mix.
Today's best mix.
Hemel FM.
Cambridge, Woodhall Farm, Apsley, Lowestoft Green, Benetton. This is your station, Hemel FM. And in sport, it's a good result for Hemel Town, winning 4-0 this weekend. Today's best mix. Made in Hemel. This is your station, Hemel FM. Relax and unwind with 2 hours of the best chilled music. Late night Hemel.
Hemel FM.